We won't stay flat forever. So what does this mean? Let's take a look. So now let's start with our workshop structure.
I'm damn thirsty right now and damn hungry.
That's a great question. Ready?
This is the Central Public Library. I'm gonna be in this area. I think so. I think here's the place. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, I like this book.
It's great, right?
Yeah.
So they always kind of choose books that will be of interest to the audience as well, so that's really good.
Yeah, that's really cool. The reason why I want to know your kind of like position right now is because this topic can really relate to everyone from marketing to product to business. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. We won't stay flat forever. So what does this mean? Let's take a look. We can just summarize it, the 5 main key points here. The reason why all the major players right now move to CE. The first reason is the connection. Okay, so now let's start with our workshop structure. I just want to make it easier for you to digest all of this information. So let's just think of it as we have a cooking workshop. So the first, the appetizer will be, we need to get to know the tool. So the tool is Big Pig Scout. And then the part number 2, or we call it main dish, where we're gonna learn how to cook some designs, like the designs for marketing, the designs for product and business. And the last part, I think this is the most interesting part, where we're gonna have an interactive playground, where you're gonna actually create through the designs. All right, so let's get started with Pigscout. I saw some of you already go to Pigscout website, but now let me walk you through. And when moving down to the session, we want to change the session a little bit so that you can try it out by yourself, so you can understand the editable capability of our apps. So basically, with just a few clicks, you can change the colors of all the icons. There are all the static ones, but when you just keep scrolling down, there are also animated icons. When you hover over it, it will play.
Guys, just finished. Oh my god. I'm damn thirsty right now and damn hungry. I haven't eaten anything. Oh my god, I'm just crazy. I haven't slept straight. I just This is a super famous seafood restaurant, the Crab. Okay, no worries, no worries. Come here, come here. I really want to know. Can you introduce me? What is this tourist attraction?
This is actually Kampung Glam.
Kampung Glam.
Yes. So this is called the Sultan Mosque.
Sultan Mosque.
Yes.
Alright.
So this mosque has been a while since Kampung Glam is here. A lot of people say that this is one of the oldest mosques in Singapore.
Oh,
Yeah. And also this place is one of the famous photo zone in Kampung Glam because of this mosque backdrop.
yep. I see. I see there's a clear contrast between these two city streets
Yep.
and the kind of like old mosque.
Yep.
It looks really interesting. I choose Pew because it's in the nice street, in the center of the nice street. I love the vibe.
Correct. Actually, Q Hotel is one of the famous hostel, capsule hotel in this area
Wow.
because it actually located.
In the heart. Okay. My room is it's here. I can literally browsing the whole street.